Are you looking, as a parent or as a teacher, to take teaching and learning to a whole new level? If you haven't yet really worked with the power of the story, you need to take this course. It's all about teaching through story. It's working with fine-tuning new strategies to make your teaching pop, to make it come alive. I'm going to share my tips and tricks and techniques over 36 years in working with K through 12. And how student attention is less demand and more connect. And how comprehension is based in curiosity and interest, and how you can capture that through the living embodiment of story. I'm going to talk about how sleep is absolutely key to teaching anything. And how do we find the still point where all education should come from? That still point of listening. That place of silence that allows teaching to land through the capacity of enlivened imagination. In an age of algorithms and fast-paced snap, screenshots and everything moving us all up to a level of hyperactive anxiety that our children are totally feeling, how do we bring every subject matter alive with stillness, with enhanced imagination? And though you might not think of yourself as an artist, by the time you finish this course, you'll know that teaching is an art and that learning is a practice. Join me to find your voice through enlivened learning in and through the power of story.